Oh, this rain, this rain. The gutters overflow with silver tongues tonight. Each drop a syllable I never learned to speak. You left when the jasmine was still burning white. Now the sky itself is leaking and the roof is weak. I stood at the glass and counted every river that ran between your house and my front door. They say the rain will wash the world to deliver something cleaner than the ache that came before. But I have opened up my chest to the thunder, let it drum against the hollow where you slept. Oh, this rain, it falls like your footsteps on the stair. Oh, this rain, it knows the shape of your unbound hair. Let the whole city drown in gray water, if it means I get to hear your voice again. Every storm that breaks is an unanswered letter. Every flood is a prayer without amen. Oh, this rain. The garden keeper locked the gate at noon. The roses bowed their heads and turned to rust. I found the coat you wore that last June, still holding the ghost of your particular dust. The radio plays songs about other people's healing, but my wounds have learned to love the salt. The sky does not ask permission for its feeling. It weeps and we call the weeping default. So I have opened every window to the downpour. Let the curtains learn the weight of what you kept. If you are the cloud, then I am the dry earth, cracked and waiting for the fall. If you are the storm, then I am the bare mountain, echoing songs against the squall. I do not want the sun, I do not want the shelter, I want the holy soak of your goodbye. Let the water rise, let the old world melt here. I will kneel in the flood until I die. Oh, this rain, it falls like your footsteps on the stair. Oh, this rain, it knows the shape of your unbound hair. Let the whole city drown in gray water, if it means I get to hear your voice again. Every storm that breaks is an unanswered letter. Every flood is a prayer without amen. Oh, this rain, the sky confesses what I cannot say. In water, in